Hey y'all, Phil again with Custom Offsets TV on the YouTube. It's a cold one today, but we got another vehicle spotlight for you. This is a 2018 Ford F-150 Sport on some 20x10s. Let's go.
Custom Offsets team chances the team on top of it now. We ain't never gonna fade, so you better get ready for taking over the game.
All right guys, like I said, 2018 F-150. First things first, to get it up in the air, we got a 6-inch BDS on here. So this kit gives you new knuckles, all the new components you need to get the right angle. They ride really nice. This is another dealer build, so this truck is already sold, but we've been building these trucks for holiday and a couple other dealerships in the area, so people can go in, buy their truck, pick it up, we'll get it all hooked up for them, and they can put it all right in the financing. So for wheels and tires then, this is a 20x10 fuel lethal, and this is a -24 offset. I'm pretty sure I'm out of money. I don't know if we can do a bill test. I have no money left. Thanks to the generosity of Mason, we now have a $100 bill. So we'll get in here, get your lip test for you. You can see on that 10 wide, you're right about that 4 inches of lip, pretty decent. In front of the spoke, a little less, maybe 3.5. So pretty sharp looking wheel here, black with the machined accents and the rivet style all the way across. And then your covered cap, so this is not one to run the spike lug nuts on. For tires, these are the Nitto Ridge Grapplers, and this is a 35 tall by 12.5 wide. So you can see you get just a little bit of bulge on the sidewall there, but really nice looking tire. These are really popular. This is a hybrid tire, so you get a lot of good mileage out of them. They're not super noisy. We've been putting this on a lot of builds. As far as trimming goes, looks very minimal, if any. Just a little bit in the back side on this inner fender liner right in here. And we also have the Bushwhacker fender flares that are paint to match with the bolts along the outside. I like that really aggressive look on here. Rounding out the back, obviously there's no fitment issues here in the back. He did upgrade to the Fox shocks. You can see those underneath there. With this package, you do get the color match bumpers all the way around, front and rear. Walk you over to this side. Show you the interior. It's pretty clean on the inside. You can see it's got the big screen. Don't mind the dude, that's just Lawson. But sharp looking truck, obviously brand new. I'll bring it around the front. So the last thing that you're seeing here is the paint to match grille and paint to match bumpers up front. This is new for 2018, this styling where it kind of extends into the headlights. Looks really clean, definitely love the look of that. That is a 2018 F-150 on a 6-inch BDS, 20x10s and 35s. Make sure you like us on Facebook, subscribe on YouTube. Peace.